Good morning guys, I'm here in Lobok Adventure ship line. So ito guys ang ship line ng Lobok guys. So again guys, good morning all. I'm here in Lobok. So tingnan natin yung view guys. So guys, ito ang sasakay ka ng ship line dito sa baba. Makita mo yung bulog dito. Ganyan kalalim siya ya. Kaya may puno ng nibon guys. Ang napaka-tagas. Ayan. Doon o. Yung lalim. Yung ship line. Dadaan doon guys. Babalik sa kabila. Ayan. Manood tayo dito ha. Guys, dumating na yan siya guys, kakarating lang, ayan. Nakita mo guys, okay, ayan. Doon lang yung isa. Okay, so dito mo lang makikita to sa Lobok Adventure, Lobok ship line. So again guys, ayan ang view guys, makikita mo yan sa ayan. Ayan naman guys, So, thank you guys. Thanks for manonood sa ating YouTube channel. Huwag kalimutan, Julas Vlog. Always. So, I proceed to another tourist spot. So, nice guys. Nice place. Ayan, nice place. So may ATM daw guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you. Sana mapasayo ko kahit kunti lang sa inyo. Thank you.